Hello, amazing people. Today is Tuesday, February 25th, 2020. I am Lindsay Duff, and this is Responsible Day Trading. And it's cold again, by the way. I need you all to start closing your doors. Stop letting the AC out. It's cold in Texas, and it's not supposed to be. So every day I start my day out with maybe a little bit of... I haven't read my daily reading today, actually. Today I started off with TikTok, but we're going to not talk about that. So what we are going to talk about is I start off with a little bit of inspiration. This morning I listened to a talk on a meditation app that I absolutely adore. I got these in line. Where was I? Home Goods. And so what this is every day I open this up and I choose a card. And today's card is I can make good decisions. And I put that card on my screen somewhere so I can look at it during the day. I have 2 more days until I'm getting ready to leave for New Orleans, which I'm super excited about. I am a little glad that Mardi Gras, Bit Fat Tuesday is today. So maybe I'll find some good Cajun music to put on in the background today. I don't know, some little bit of Zydeco. Maybe I'm dancing to it right now. I don't know. I never pick the music until the end. So let's go ahead and check out this market. Remember, I can make good decisions. Okay. Where are you, daily chart? Oh. Man, this is a double bar from yesterday, but that sure does look like it. Oh, yeah, there it goes. I was going to say, it sure does look like it's going down. It's going down. I'm yelling timber. Oh, shoot. I forgot when I'm doing some work in the evenings, I take off all these lines. So let me go ahead just really quick. Let's throw these puppies in. I do not have to have them on my MACDs. I like them there. I love how they're white. Why are they white though? Oh, maybe because I have to set those as white. Oh, okay. Okay. Learning stuff new about Ninja Trader 8 every day. Just a little tiny pullback. I got my finger over close button, just kind of waiting to see what's going to happen here. These are starting to pop up. There we go, I like it. That went fast. Retracement divergence, it's still pushing down, it's weak, but it's still going. Touched that 2-point but didn't go through, so pulling it down there, totally a good reason. Okay, we're gonna get this button. So it's been a little bit of a struggle for me today. Oh, I accidentally hit the close button. Oh well. Well, it looks perfect though. It's going to. It was a total accident that I hit that close button. But a nice little reversal bar pulling to that bottom Bollinger Band. That's what happens, you know? I would have been stopped out when it pulled back here anyways. That is the pullback. Ooh, my wrist is not in the best of places. But... tiny bit of a pullback, pushing down. Close. Start pulling back. That's enough for me. I have lunch in an hour with someone and I have some things I want to accomplish before then, but this is another great space for the push down to take us down towards the next area. Okay, let's look at these. 1325. Phew, that's with only 2 winners. I had a loss, a break even, a loss, a win, a loss, a win. Still, today could have been a rough day. I was close to ending the day with just 1.5 points. So I started off 3 points, 5 points down right here. Then up to 4, down to 1.5, and then up to 13.25. It'd be fun to stay and trade all day, but I do have things to do. I have lunch today at 11, and I've got some homework to do for students. I have some work to do on the back end of the curriculum. If you are in the curriculum, I've added some videos to the first section. I'm actually adding in another video today, and then I'm going to be just I'm going to do another eyeball over all of the newest sections I've done on the EMAs, the MACDs, and divergence, and then I'm redoing the bottom portion after you get through the main curriculum. Just because I don't have any NinjaTrader 8, you need to know how to do the market replays. It's not as easy as it was on 7, and that may just be because I'm not used to 8. That happens, you know, whatever it is. I know I can make good decisions, right? So that's what today is about. I can make good decisions. Okay, you got to remind yourself of that as a day trader because, you know, like today the first trade was a loss, and that was, did I chase it a little bit? I think I chased it just a little bit. Let's look at it. I did chase that one just a little bit, and then the next one I didn't chase, but I got a little nervous and moved it to a break even too fast. So definitely could have had some points going on in here if I had not just freaked myself out a little bit. And then I got my head on straight, you know? So I had 2 losers in a row and a break even, which may be technically 3 losses to some people, but I had enough to go ahead and continue. Knew I was a little quick on the draw here, waited. And guys, today moves so fast that some of the trades I was not able to catch. And that's just part of it. We don't have to be in every trade. What we need to do is just pay attention. If you noticed, right as I started my day, I was actually, well, you may not notice. If you're in the vault, if you notice, what I did was I had a message come in and I started concentrating on that. And then I took my focus away from the market, which immediately set my tone for my attention span and for my trades. So I had to move that to a mute situation. I have found that there's a little button that I can turn it off from even buzzing, which has been a game changer. I've gotten so much more accomplished because I'm not consistently just picking up my phone to look at. It may even be a message from Wish, and I'm like, oh, what's this? Oh, a message from Wish, and I set it down, and I may not pay attention to it. And yeah, I do shop on Wish from time to time, but I may not pay attention to it. But I'll come back, I'll pick up that phone, I'll break the concentration from paying attention to the market. So today was 6 trades. It was a little bit tough for me. There were 3 losses, 1 break even, and 2 wins. And those 2 wins were enough to make things pretty great today. It is, let's see. Okay. We're an hour into this. We're going to call it a day. I got things to do. I want to get this video out before I go to lunch, if possible. I don't know. May not. Otherwise, guys, make sure you're checking out You Profit Trader. I'll actually put a link down below. Oh, I will not be here tomorrow. I have a lot going on. I have a couple of meetings. I have, tomorrow is house cleaning day, so I'm going to step out for a little bit and work outside of the house, which a lot of times means working at Starbucks, which means too loud to trade. And I feel silly talking. Hey guys, I just wanted to tell you about the MACDs. I think that's it. We're going to wrap it up and we're going to call it a day. I'll catch y'all Thursday, and then I won't see y'all again until next week. So I hope everybody has a terrific Tuesday, and as always, I look forward to catching you on the profitable side.